Hello everyone, Russell Wright from curationprofits.com. I hope you're well. This is a update for the Curation Profits students and probably the G++ students. Students of my Google++ course will also benefit from this video update. There have been some challenges that some students have had with the Storify Boomarklet. I have also had problems with the Storify Boomarklet, which is something that I recommend that you drag onto your toolbar. There doesn't seem to be as many problems with it on Mozilla. I need to confirm that. I don't really use the actual Boomarklet itself in the browser bar. What I use is the right click on the desktop. You can see if I click on my mouse on a PC, not on a Macintosh. If you're using a Macintosh, I don't know the exact protocols how this is going to work, but you do a right click and you can see right here, Storify this page. This is going to be part of the Chrome, at least on Chrome, what's called the Chrome extension. You can tell that you have the Chrome extension installed by going up to your Chrome toolbar, or what's called the workshop area, click on it, go to extensions. Okay, let's go ahead and find this here. Options, rather, excuse me. And then you move over to extensions and look right here. You can see that your Storify extension should be installed, and I actually give our students direct instructions on how to install it, and it needs to be enabled. When it's enabled, you're set and you're ready to go. Okay, so that's when you're going to have the right clickability on your any site that you visit. I'm going to go through an exact example of this, but I'm going to show you another thing that I did not make as clear as I need to in the course. If you're not logged into Storify, you might have a hard time using your Chrome extension. So if I'm surfing along and I'm surfing on Google+, and I find one of my friends has a great article, for example, this one that I'm interested in, Google+ Box Ranking Factors Report, okay, if I right click on it and click Storify this page, the first thing that you're going to see happen is you're going to see this little button here. When you click on the Storify element, if it doesn't work, and you get this exclamation mark, which I just did as a perfect example, see the little button right here? You have to get this whole yellow bar to disappear in order to know that you've actually included this story and page inside your Storify story pad. Okay, so when you have this red exclamation mark, that means that it did not add it to your Storify story. Okay, as a result, you're going to need to know what it is that's going on. I'm going to show you. You can tell right here that I'm not logged into Storify. In order to remedy that situation, make sure that while you surf, while you're in Chrome, be sure to be logged into Storify. You might ask yourself if this is a tactic for the Storify team to make sure that you remain logged into Storify. I'm not going to answer that, but I will say that when you log in, everything works fine. So I log in with Twitter. Some people tend to log in with their regular account. You're going to know that you're logged in when you see your image in your Storify account. Okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you another example. I'm going to go ahead and to that where we had this error. Get rid of the error. Okay, and then right click again, and Storify this page is going to end up. Go ahead and click it, and now you can see that it effectively added your Storify. You can tell because it didn't turn red with an exclamation mark that it just left itself as is. You can double confirm this by going to a Storify story, perhaps one that you're working on. Go to your account, click on drafts, maybe some unpublished story. Here's what I'm working on. Mobile search with 60% of Valentine's Day local searches. This is something that we pulled from Search Engine Land. And what we're going to do is go ahead and check in Edit, and then go to your story pad and just see if it went in. You're going to see that it entered into my story pad and will be sitting there for me the next time I want to cultivate a story. And I had no problem whatsoever doing that. So, main thing you need to know is if you're having a problem with your Boomarklet, use the Chrome extension instead. If you're having problems with the Chrome extension, make sure that you're logged into Storify. Okay? That should probably help a lot of you deal with any issues that may have come up. Again, my name is Russell Wright from ThemeZoom and curationprofits.com. Look forward to seeing all of you who are not current students on the inside. For everyone else, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask.